Hi everybody, welcome back to Californication. Nice quick one today. Do you know that you can get this out? So if you get your T7 and you want to get this out, really easy, and it makes it great to just take in the house, and you can load it up and then bring it back in and do whatever you want with it. Or if you want to go out for a day trip and you want a nice window, you can do this. First of all, make your life easy. Get the seat, if you pull the right one, get the seat out the way. If you've got the carpet that lifts out the way quickly, do that. And then pull this back. Because then you can sit here and you can get to everything nice and easy. So this, sometimes people think this is a bit of a waste of time because what goes in here? Now, there are storage boxes or blocks you can get that fit in all of these little bits individually. So pants and socks and things like that go in each of these. This bit comes with a rigid piece in there of plastic. There is a zip behind. Undo the zip, take the plastic out. It means stuff goes in there nice and easy. It still doesn't fall out because the storage solutions I've got fit nicely in here, one in each, and you can get quite a lot in there. But we're going to show you how to take it out. At the bottom, you have got little pins that you can lift up. You can see that. Lift those pins, and there's one on either side. The other one's been lifted already. And at the top, you've got these 3 turners. The easiest way to do it is if I actually just show you with it actually off. There's 3 of them. If you put them in the center line like that, lift the bottom out and it will come away. Just like that. From there, you've got your saddlebag and you can take it away wherever you want. Or put it in storage, or don't use it. But then one thing you've got to remember is you've then got no blind there. But I'm sure you'll be able to find a blind from somewhere to put in place.